What if you could trade Forex like a Wall Street pro, without years of study or endless hours at your screen? Thanks to copy trading, that's now possible. Instead of learning everything yourself, you simply follow expert traders and automatically copy their moves. You see their track records, risk levels, and real results. Total transparency. When they profit, you profit. It's like having a team of pros working for you, 24/7. You stay in control. Choose who to copy, how much to invest, and stop anytime. This isn't gambling or guesswork. It's a smart, tech-driven way to invest. Copy trading opens Forex to everyone, not just the experts. Now anyone can participate in the world's largest financial market on their own terms. Ready to see how it works? So, what is copy trading? It's simple. You automatically mirror the trades of experienced investors. Find a trader with a strong track record, allocate funds, and your account copies their trades in real time. No need to analyze charts or react to alerts. The platform does it all instantly. Think of it like hiring a top chef to cook for you. You enjoy the results without learning the recipes. Copy trading is designed for beginners. No financial background needed. Platforms like StarTrader and PuPrime make it easy to compare traders by performance, risk, and popularity. You can filter, review stats, and pick the experts who match your goals. It's a user-friendly, data-driven way to invest. You don't need to be a market analyst. Just choose your pros and let the system do the rest. That's the power of copy trading. Let's see how you can get started. Here's how to start copy trading in minutes. Sign up with a trusted broker like StarTrader or PuPrime. Fund your account. Many platforms even double your first deposit as a bonus. Browse the leaderboard of expert traders, check their stats, and pick your favorites. Decide how much to allocate to each trader. Diversify to manage risk. Click Copy, and your account will automatically mirror their trades. You can adjust, pause, or stop copying anytime. Monitor your results from your phone or computer. The experts do the heavy lifting. You stay in control. It's that easy to start automating your trading profits. Why choose StarTrader or PuPrime? Both are regulated, secure, and built for user-friendly copy trading. Their platforms make it simple to find, analyze, and copy top traders. You get a wide selection, conservative, aggressive, or anywhere in between. The double your deposit bonus gives you extra trading power from day one. Gains are calculated on your boosted balance, accelerating your growth. These platforms combine safety, simplicity, and powerful tools for beginners. Everything you need to start is in one place. They make professional Forex trading accessible to everyone. With StarTrader and PuPrime, you're set up for success from the start. Imagine trading without the stress or time commitment. Copy trading frees you from market analysis and emotional decisions. Set up your portfolio, then focus on your life, work, family, hobbies. Your money works for you, growing passively as experts trade on your behalf. Small, steady gains can compound into real wealth over time. It's about building financial freedom and a better lifestyle. The technology, the experts, and the bonuses are ready for you. Don't wait. Take action and start copying the pros today. Sign up, fund your account, and let your assets grow automatically. This is your chance to invest smarter, not harder. Your future self will thank you.